Hello, dear learners. Welcome to this fascinating and practical journey into forecasting, demand planning, sales and operations planning, and integrated business planning. This course is designed not just to explain concepts, but to truly transform the way you think about planning and decision-making in a real business environment. Let us first talk about what this course is really all about. This is not a complete theoretical course. Instead, this program is thoughtfully designed by academics and industry experts with real-world S&OP meeting scenarios, learning different forecasting methods with MS Excel, and applying on data from scratch, understanding each key performance indicator of end-to-end S&OP process, and calculating each KPI in the Excel spreadsheet. In today's fast-changing and highly competitive world, businesses fail not because they lack products, but because they fail to balance demand and supply at the right time. This is where forecasting, demand planning, and S&OP become extremely critical. In this course, we start from the absolute basics. We begin by understanding how manufacturing and service businesses work, how demand and supply behave differently, and what is the real difference between demand, sales, and forecast. This is a very important foundation to build because many professionals use these terms interchangeably without understanding their real impact on planning decisions. As we move forward, we deep dive into determinants of demand, the impact of demand and supply imbalance, and you will see exactly how long-term business strategy is linked to S&OP, and how S&OP is linked to day-to-day planning with MPS, MRP, RCCP, and operational executions. Further, you will learn how S&OP evolved over time and how the complete 5-step S&OP process works, starting with new product planning to executive review with step-by-step approach. We will also cover the benefits of S&OP and clearly define RASCI so you know who is responsible, accountable, supporting, consulted, and informed in every step of the process. Now, let us talk about forecasting and demand planning, which is the backbone of any successful S&OP process. In this course, you will not just learn what forecasting is, but also how it is different from demand planning, when to use constrained versus unconstrained demand, what different methods of forecasting exist, and which forecasting approach works best in different business situations. We will discuss forecast characteristics, forecast horizons, top-down and bottom-up approaches, the role of a demand planner, and the real challenges that organizations face while forecasting. What makes this course truly powerful is the hands-on, Excel-based learning. You will learn how to perform forecasting using MS Excel from scratch, starting with basic methods like naive forecasting, moving average, weighted moving average, and exponential smoothing. You will clearly understand how each method works, when to use it, and what its limitations are. Then we move to advanced Excel forecasting functions like forecast.linear, forecast.ets, seasonality detection, confidence intervals, and Excel's forecast sheet. You will also learn how to calculate seasonality index step by step and apply it to real demand data. But forecasting does not stop at generating numbers. Measuring forecast performance is equally important. That is why this course covers more than 20 real-world S&OP and forecasting metrics. You will learn how to calculate and interpret forecast value add, vitality index, bias, bias percentage, MSE, RMSE, and many other forecasting KPIs directly in Excel. On the supply planning side, we cover critical metrics such as on-time delivery, OTIF, inventory turnover, days of supply, plan adherence, capacity utilization, material availability, and inventory health. You will clearly understand what each metric means, why it matters in S&OP, and how it impacts business outcomes. Now, let us talk about the real heart of this course, running the complete S&OP process end-to-end with real business examples. You will see how product planning works with new product introductions and phase-outs. You will understand how demand planning is finalized, how supply planning aligns capacity, inventory, and materials using concepts like MPS, MRP, and RCCP. You will see how financial reconciliation happens in pre-S&OP, and finally, how executive S&OP drives management decisions and action items. Most importantly, you will understand how each department, sales, supply chain, manufacturing, procurement, finance, and leadership contributes to S&OP with real examples. As businesses mature, S&OP alone is not enough. That is why this course also introduces integrated business planning. You will clearly understand what IBP is, why it evolved, and how it differs from traditional S&OP. You will learn how organizations shift from operational planning to strategic, financially driven decision-making. This course explains how to transform from S&OP to IBP step by step, helping you align demand, supply, finance, and strategy into one single long-term plan. We also cover best practices that truly differentiate average planners from high-impact professionals. You will learn why collaboration is more important than blindly forecasting numbers, why demand forecasting is not the same as sales forecasting, whether to plan in quantity or value terms, why forecast accuracy alone should not be treated as success, and how incentivizing forecasting teams can dramatically improve planning quality. Throughout the course, you will receive ready-to-use Excel templates, calculation sheets, and handouts. These tools will allow you to practice forecasting, demand planning, KPI calculations, and S&OP scenarios with your own product data. By the end of this course, you will be confident enough to perform demand planning on any dataset, run S&OP meetings with clarity, and add real value to your organization by improving forecast quality, coordination, and decision-making. Finally, after reviewing many courses, we realized that no other course brings together forecasting, Excel hands-on, S&OP real scenarios, KPI mastery, and IBP transformation in such a practical and structured way. This course is not just about learning concepts, it's about building skills that you can immediately apply in your job and career. After this course, you will naturally realize that your confidence has gained a lot in forecasting any data and making confident decisions for demand planning. You will be able to systematically run S&OP in your organization while holding everyone accountable while achieving a common goal. If you are a supply chain, demand planning, inventory planning, and analytical professional, then this course is exactly for you. Let us begin this exciting journey together.